Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this rechargeable portable bubble oxygen pump for all saltwater and freshwater aquariums. Alright, so right here we have our portable air pump for your aquarium. It is super high efficiency and energy saving with a 1.7 watt power air pump with one outlet. It has one stone, one tube, one USB cable, and one adapter. The airflow is 1.7 liters a minute. The power cord length is 2.5 feet. It features a low pressure consumption and high energy saving. It's great for 1 all the way up to 100-gallon fish tanks. So here is the portable device right here. You can clip this on. So now let's go make our way to my aquarium and try this out. I did connect it to a power bank. So right here is the power bank. So when I want to charge it up, I will just connect it to a power bank, and then afterwards you can just unplug it. So right here is the stone. You just put right in there. It is a rechargeable air pump. It can plug in and recharge, used directly. It can use the indoor or outdoor, just hanging on your tank. It'll switch from electric to battery operated. It is the blue indicator lights help clearly know the battery level. So right now it is charging it right now. It's almost fully charged. Once it's completely fully charged, I can go ahead and remove the power cord, or you can also just use it in so it doesn't die. So you can charge it or leave it in. It has two working modes. It's continuous mode, which touch the button to start it to work all the time. The battery storage can continuously for 14 to 18 hours in a minute model. And usage can be used between 25 and 28 hours depending on how long you use it for. It is super lightweight, portable, it is space saving, it is easy to install. All you gotta do is grab this little tube right here, pop it into your fish tank, put in the stone, and it should start working immediately. The great thing about this is it doesn't have to be plugged in like a normal one. And if you're out and about and you're moving your fish tank and you need some kind of a bubble maker for your fishes so they do not die, this is a great thing to have. It is portable and you do get a long usage in between. It gets connected by a USB port, or you can actually connect it into a power bank. That way you can charge it. If you want it connected and have it working, you can do that. Or if you just want it to be the portable capability, you can do that as well, as long as it's completely charged up. As you can see, my fishes just love it. They're getting a lot of oxygen. So if you're looking for a portable bubble oxygen pump, I would definitely say check this one out. It is super great and it is portable.